Awesome. So now we want to introduce what is the modern composable product analytics stack. So what is that best solution you can purchase today? So this is really a mixture of where Snowplow and Mitzu are providing a offering. So these four areas cover the core functionalities. The first is best in breed tools connected via warehouse or lake. So ultimately, what we want to do is break down your data silos and bring all of your data sets across your ecosystem in one place, and then feed that data across the different tools you're using to operationalize on that data. Second, we're making all the areas that are important for data ingestion and visualization really, really flexible and modifiable. So everything from launching SDKs and trackers to go ahead and collect data are really functional and strong. Snowplow provides tons of models within the warehouse to go ahead and say, not only are we getting the data in the warehouse, but we're providing these modeling layers to go ahead and make sense of that data and aggregate it for you. Finally, storage and visualization. So we're getting the data into places like BigQuery, Databricks, Snowflake in real time, low latency and at scale, and then sending that data over to tools like Mitsu to go ahead and visualize that data in a really customizable way. Third, we're enabling scalability, ownership, and adaptability. On the data ownership side, it's really important that, for privacy concerns, especially in a really privacy-centric space that we're in, you want to be able to completely own your customer data. So end to end, as users are interacting with your sites and producing data, you don't want that data to leave your domains, your processing, your servers, and so on. So Snowplow really enables you to completely own that data, such that it never touches any third-party solutions in terms of ownership. And then finally, you completely control the schemas, the models, the output. So for every event that you want to capture, you're being able to set exactly what that schema looks like. So again, what are the properties that define the event? You can also attach in contextual data like entities against that event to better define those events. You control exactly what models to apply on top of the event so that they're able to aggregate the data sets and compute data that's really important for visualizations and AI tools. And you have complete control over exactly how the output of data looks like. So instead of spending weeks and hours or hours and weeks managing your data sets in the warehouse and doing lots of joins and merges before you can completely understand the data sets, Snowplow is producing these models and outputs for you, so that you can easily have them be consumed by tools like Mitsu, and so on.